easy way to remove the glue and paper backing from the lovely flatbacks. Here I've got a little bit of Shelby, oh lovely, and a little bit of Kirby. I think they'll look really good, but also easy to sort out when they're done. So just pop them all into a strainer and hopefully a jug to fit. Detergent, oh too much, that's to clean off all the glue, and then cover it with hot water or warm water. Give it a bit of a jiggle, go make a cup of tea or coffee and come back in 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes are done, so we'll just stick our hand in and remove the pieces of paper. Some might be still left on, just slide them off. Give it a shake. Rinse them off. If we don't want the detergent on there to interfere with the glue. Spread them out on a drying rack. However you want to dry them, I'll just use an old bath mat. Admire the gorgeous colours. That's my other project.